Alright. Okay, let me get these diamonds. Nah! Nah! Nah, you know what, buddy? Nah, I'm gonna break these blocks. You're not getting back anytime soon, bro. I bet you don't even have any blocks, bro. What? Oh, he has blocks. No. Oh. Yeah, whatever, I'm just gonna... Whatever. Oh my god. No! No! Nah, you're evil! You're evil! I hate you so much. I hate you so much. I'm gonna get revenge. Yeah, I'm getting revenge. You know what? Yeah. So we're gonna buy the bomb. Yeah. So we're gonna go over to this guy. Okay. Oh, he said no. We go down together!